Hey friends, welcome back to the Bloom Official. I'm so excited you're here today because we're going to crochet an adorable no-sew mallard duck. And guess what? It only takes 20 minutes. And this project is totally beginner friendly, so if you're new to crochet, this is the perfect one for you. Before we get started, here's what you'll need for this project. Chunky yarn in mint green, white, brown, and gold. Scissor, a tapestry needle, 10mm plastic safety eyes, and a 6.0mm crochet hook. We also need some polyfill for stuffing. Alright, let me walk you through it. First, create a loop with the yarn and hold the tail end over your fingers. Then, stick your hook into the loop, yarn over and pull through to make your first chain. After that, yarn over again and pull through to make a single crochet stitch. This is your first stitch. Mark with a stitch marker. You'll need to repeat this step 7 more times until you have 8 single crochet stitches in total. Once you've got all 8 stitches in the ring, pull the tail of the yarn to tighten it up and close the hole in the center. And that's it, you've got your magic ring. For round 2, we're going to increase by 8 stitches. That means we'll add 2 single crochets into each stitch from the previous round. Again, mark your first stitch. We will add a second crochet in the same stitch. You should now have 16 stitches around. Now for round 3, we're going to crochet 3 single crochets and an increase, repeated 4 times. For round 4, we will work 20 single crochets. For round 5, we will change to white yarn and also do 20 single crochets. Use white yarn to pull through both loops of the last stitch made with the green yarn, then continue working the rest of the row as usual. Mark with a stitch marker. Now pull the green yarn tight, cut it, and tie a knot with the white yarn to secure everything in place. For rounds 6 to 7, you'll crochet 20 single crochet stitches in each round using brown yarn. Use the same method to switch to the brown color. For round 8, we're going to make 11 single crochets, 1 bubble stitch, 4 more single crochets, and 1 bubble stitch, finishing with 3 single crochets. Grab your gold yarn and yarn over. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the same streak. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat until you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over brown yarn and pull through all the loops on the hook. Work the next stitch of the row normally. Next, we will crochet 4 more single crochets and bobble stitch again, and then 3 single crochets. Now we could push the bobble stitch from the back to make it pop. Next, we will add eyes between round 4 and round 5. They should be 4 stitches apart. Make sure eyes are aligned with the feet. For round 9, we're going to decrease. You'll do 3 single crochet, decrease repeated 4 times. To decrease, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up another loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Okay, we're almost there. Grab your stuffing and lightly fill up your duck's body. You want it to be soft but still hold its shape. And for the last round, round 10, we're going to do 8 decreases to close everything up. It's going to look perfect. Cut your yarn and leave a long tail. Thread the yarn tail onto a yarn needle. Insert the needle under the outside loop of each stitch around the last round. Pull the yarn tight to close the gap, making sure the stitches align neatly. If you still see a small gap, repeat the steps until the gap is fully closed. Next, we will embroider the beak with gold yarn. To crochet the wings directly onto the body, start by counting 3 stitches away from the feet. Insert your hook into the first stitch and chain 1. Then, in the next stitch, work 2 half double crochets. As you crochet, make sure to hide the yarn end by crocheting over it. And in the third stitch, slip stitch to finish the wing. Once you finish the wing, tie a knot to secure the yarn in place. This method will attach the wings securely while keeping everything neat and tidy. And there you go. Your no-sew mallard duck is ready in just 20 minutes. How cute is that? I hope you had fun making it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any more fun projects. See you next time, and happy crocheting!